Hey, what's up guys, this is Nom. Today I am talking about the OnePlus Nord 4. OnePlus is all set to reveal this gem at their summer launch event in Milan on July 16th. Let's jump right into what we know so far about the Nord 4 and what makes it a standout in the mid-range segment. First off, let's talk about the design. OnePlus is bringing back the metal-bodied construction, giving the Nord 4 a premium feel that we have not seen in mid-range phones. It comes in three stunning colors: black, mint and white silver, each with a unique two-toned finish. These colors not only look sleek but also add a touch of sophistication. Moving on the display, the Nord 4 features a 6.74-inch 1.5K OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means buttery smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience, whether you are watching videos, playing games, or just browsing through apps. It's powered by Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor, ensuring snappy performance and efficient multitasking. Now let's talk cameras. The Nord 4 is equipped with a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, and a 16 megapixel front facing camera. It's great to see that OnePlus is focusing on useful cameras, avoiding those unnecessary macro or depth sensors that we often see in budget phones. With these cameras, you can expect sharp, vibrant photos and wide angle shots that capture more of your surroundings. Battery life is another area where the Nord 4 shines. It packs a hefty 5500 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to charge, the 100-watt fast charging support means you can use up quickly and get back to your day without long waits. Fans of the iconic OnePlus Alert slider will be happy to know it's still here. Located on the left side of the phone, it's small but incredibly useful feature that makes it easy to switch between silent, vibrate and ring modes. Another pleasant surprise in the inclusion of headphone jack. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the launch of the new Nord Buds 3 Pro, OnePlus has kept the headphone jack for those who prefer wide audio. OnePlus is unveiling the Nord 4 at their event on July 16th, where they will also showcase the Bad 2, Watch 2R and the Nord Buds 3 Pro. Unfortunately, it looks like the Nord 4 won't be making its way to the US market. OnePlus has historically kept its Nord series limited to certain regions. That it seems this year will be no different. But who knows, maybe OnePlus will surprise us. So there you have it, the first look at the OnePlus Nord 4. It's shaping up to a fantastic option in the mid-range category with its premium build, solid specs and thoughtful features. Let us know in the comment what you think about the Nord 4, and if you are planning to get one, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech info. Thanks for watching and we will see you next video. Bye bye.